What's happening today?
Not much. We've got a bit of a quieter week this week, actually. Very quiet week, got no installs, which from what I can hear, it's happening all over Australia. The elections had a bit of uncertainty and whatnot, so no installs, which is fine by us. We need the week to catch up and organise some stuff, get stuff across to our new warehouse and organise our networking event. Just over a week.
Just over a week?
A week tomorrow. Getting everything sorted for that, calling everybody, saying hi, trying to drum up interest and talking to lots of suppliers who are all really interested, which is cool. Getting some lights, which are also important.
And we're going to try and have some fun in the new warehouse to start with.
We are. We're going to do some new recordings of Foxy Games and
we've got some visitors.
We do. We've got Sass and Norm visiting from Newcastle, Bluebird Styling.
I'm Saskia Whitley from Bluebird Property Styling in Newcastle.
They're following us around. They've just come up from yesterday and today just to see how we do things, ask us heaps of questions, and we are more than happy for anybody to ask us any questions. And we've been asking them questions back, so helps out both of us. So anybody who wants to come and say hi, more than welcome. And we've got Charlie with us today. Joyce. Hey?
When I started in January, you were talking about a podcast. You're going to try and hold me accountable, aren't you? Somebody has to, Jake. What's the podcast going to be about?
It's just going to be kind of a way for us to talk about what we're dealing with as a new and growing styling staging company, and talking to other stylists out there about what they're going through.
The 14th of May, when are you going to release the first podcast?
You want a date? He's been giving me little nudges for a little while now. I've noticed. I've kind of put it off. 3 weeks.
Too
much?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2.5. The end of that week it'll be done. Yep.
Done?
Yep.
We're going on a little date. We're going to IKEA. We're going to get the horse meatballs. No horse in the meatballs. We're going to go to Rice Furniture, a few other outlets.
We're going to purchase all the furniture for our network series next.
What hat?
Have fun.
Just soon, let me know if you have any more questions. Bye. I always forget to turn my phone on silent. Or like, anyway.
What'd you talk about?
Our cold calls. So we ask all the time, how do we cold call? And the girls were really nervous. I was nervous to start with, but to give me some pointers on how to make it not nervous.
One bit of advice I would say to that though is don't ring and be salesy. Don't ring and try and sell your product or like get it so that you want to get quotes or anything like that. Ring with no expectation other than just to introduce yourself. If you get your name in front of enough agents, there will be a small percentage that will eventually come and use you.
Kims, what's on for the rest of the week, Thursday and Friday?
Nothing. no installs. We may have one pack up, so not much on the election. The team are doing all of their other stuff that we have going on in the background. Coffee table book procurement, putting together bedroom packages, organising our networking events, so getting that all rolling. So that's super exciting.
Does it make do you get worried when you have quiet weeks?
We actually expected this quiet week. The election, it happens. It does it every time there's an election, so just the uncertainty. Why would you list your home this week to a Saturday when everybody's out voting? So nobody's going to turn up to an open home. So busy again from next week. To be honest, we've been so and it's a great thing. We've been really busy, so it's awesome to say that to have a week of being quiet, it's actually good to recover and have the opportunity to clean the warehouse and do things like that. Plus we had people come visit, which we wouldn't have been able to do if we were super busy. Just Bar Stools, they sent through, I tried to do some research, I don't know who owns Just Bar Stools, so they asked what are the downsides that we've found from sharing so much content, sharing the behind the scenes. I have to be honest, I had a discussion with Jake. I tried to figure out what we have had as downsides of sharing the behind the scenes, especially in an industry where so far everything that you do see in content wise is polished and it's perfect, and we've come and we're showing all the dirty work because it is sweaty work.
So we're showing all that side of stuff. The biggest one, I think, potentially is that we may have missed out on work. There might be agents out there might be clients out there who don't like that we're showing the back end. Potentially we may have missed it, but I know we've had agents who are now using us. We've had clients reach out to us because of what they're seeing that we're putting on Instagram in particular. So I know we've got extra work from putting out this extra content and showing behind the scenes, whereas I don't know about any work that we've potentially missed out on. I tried to come up with something but honestly we've come up empty.